A day with kitty cats.
Meow!
Would you like to spend a whole day with candy, cookie, and pudding? Choose your favorite time of the day and good morning! Choose an activity. Ring! Time to wake up. Look carefully at the time shown in the box and move the hands of the alarm clock.
It's 10 o'clock in the evening. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Cool! Here you have your sticker. Did you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Kitty cats love a good breakfast. First, help them cut these tasty fruits. Now prepare a nice bowl of milk with cereal. Now you only have to help kitty cats to lay the table and enjoy breakfast. Well done! Enjoy your meal! Perfect! You won another sticker! After breakfast, it's important to brush one's teeth. Can you help Candy? Give her the toothbrush and the toothpaste. Okay, now drag the tube to put the paste on the brush. Perfect! Now brush Candy's teeth until they are clean. Drag the glass of water to Candy. Then move your tablet to rinse her mouth. There! Now Candy's teeth are very clean. Perfect! You won another sticker. Oh boy, the room is a mess. Before going out, the kitty cats must arrange and clean it. Put the toys in the box, the pillows on the bed, and the fishbowl on the table. Well done! Now we have to sweep the floor. Take the broom. It's almost done. There's only one detail left. The pictures are crooked. Touch them to make them straight. Great! The room is so beautiful now. Congratulations! Good! Another sticker for your collection. Taking care of a pet is a great responsibility. Look how happy he is. Nice job. Perfect. You won another sticker.